SLT flat, for a wheelbarrow tire solid rubber replacement tire. 8x 2 inches with a 2.2 inches offset hub, 5/8 inches ball bearings. This tire and wheel assembly is commonly used on various hand trucks, tool carts, small water pumps, generators, and other small mechanical equipment. Brand new and high quality, solid rubber tires are lightweight and durable, used on construction sites, and you will never worry about a flat. Features a load capacity of 265 pounds and a sawtooth tread for the perfect balance of traction and maneuverability. Equipped with ball bearings, flexible rotation, quick and easy installation. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.